Now, when it comes to air compressors, this is kind of a loaded subject, I guess, because everyone has their own preference and brand for air compressors, and so do I. So we've chosen to use cast air compressors for a number of reasons. Now, if you have a specific brand of air compressor you want to use, we'll put it in there. It doesn't matter to us. My personal preference, I love Quincy compressors. I don't love the price of them. And that's why we don't use them, because they've just gotten so expensive lately. And so we switched over to cast airs. And there's a lot of different versions. We like this one because it's a 4-piston head and it runs at very, very low RPMs. And so low RPMs means less heat, less problems. And in terms of performance, this cast air compressor is 43 CFM at 175 PSI, so it's a 2-stage unit. And this is a 20 horsepower Honda engine. This is one of the largest engines Honda makes. And so you've got this massive force driving that massive head. And the beautiful part is this thing's 43 CFM. If you compare that to a Quincy 325, they're 18 CFM at 175 PSI. And a Quincy 370, their big compressor, is 50 CFM at 175 PSI. So this is right between a Quincy 340 and a Quincy 370 in terms of performance. But it's a third to a half of the price. So you'd have to wear this out. And this is what we call a 10 to 15 year compressor. So when it finally does wear out in 15 years from now, you throw a new one in and you still spent less than buying a Quincy. So cast air, we're very happy with them. Plus the people that build these are great people. They're made down in Minnesota. And if there's ever a question or problem, you just pick up the phone and call Pat or Clint and they'll get you going instantly. So that's why we use cast air compressors, 30-gallon tank.